This is Bunkers. Sorry about this fast turn. Bunkers Island. Tide's coming in today. It's the 31st of December. And I just want to come down here today. This is probably the closest beach to my house. Let's do a little beach walking today. And, just one of those beaches that beach class at. Somebody was here with their four-wheelers. Sorry about the speed of that. I think you're looking, oh, that is quite a view. The fog and the islands. Some of my pictures and videos are of that lighthouse. And then the Yarmouth Harbor there. So let's take a walk on the beach. Don't know if I'll make a coffee today. The tides have really been moving in the water. High tides and water. Look at erosion. My car. And yeah. So let's just take a little walk. We'll go down a little bit. I was going to come and try some Esbit stove today. I forgot the pot that's been used to boil water on, but maybe I will. The rain was supposed to start today about 3, but it's already on the go. So I started. So here we are at Bunkers Island, just doing a beach walk. Let me focus this better. Do the camera, I gotta start using it. I think even though I worked every day where I worked was empty except for me past week. Now a lot of cars come down here, drive, turn. Little lighthouse there, but wow. These are the things, if you've grown up here, and I have, you just can't get tired of it. The water, and you can move away, perhaps. Better employment or whatever, better pay. But it's the beach, the water. Here it's hot. It's caught my eye. Let's have a look. It's just a cardboard box. But that's the power of the water, pushing up all these rocks. And yeah, we've had a lot of wind lately. See a marker I'm just going to go to. I want to thank everyone who subscribed new this year. I think I figured out how to get this now so you can make comments. A bag on the beach. A whole lot of trash today. Like one of the beaches. Putting together a kit, looking all over town for a fanny pack. Have not found one, had to order one on Amazon. So I'll just have with me just 2 or 3 things that while I'm walking. See my car. But just 2 or 3 things that I might have need of if I'm out here. Beautiful sand I'm walking on here. Houses along there with view. Might take a ride up the road today. Yeah. Still fun being home alone. Okay. Well, I hope you have a happy new year. Hope this year is a great year. No matter what comes, we can do it. And keep liking and subscribing and commenting now. I have that figured out. And have another view. I focus that, yeah, I'll focus that a little bit. There is some wind. I'll put a wind warning on this. Okay, 5 minutes. Like my videos, I hope. I like yours. And new subscribers, I like. Walk up a little bit here. I love it. I love the waves and the water. Okay, have a great year.